Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Seacoast House of Cars, we have their 2020 Porsche Panamera GTS. GTS in the Porsche lineup is kind of the best of both worlds. You have, it used to be built off of an S with all the nice added options, but then in recent years has taken its own spin on things and has become what very likely is the most desirable trim level to have. Red belts. Oh. Those rear seats are awesome. Very reminiscent of the Rapide, but check this out. There is no stopper, so wherever you leave the door is where it will hold. It is magnetized. Let's take a look under the hood at that V8. All the specs will be in the description below because I don't have enough time to memorize each and every car I'm reviewing today. But it's a 4-liter V8 twin turbo. Oh yes, sir. Obviously, this one has the GTS interior package, which is going to give you the suede wheel, which, in this example, is heated. It is a button behind the wheel here. Sports exhaust. Oh, these are some of the most comfortable seats. Well, a lot of people say the proper Porsches are 6 cylinders. Porsche with a V8 is perfectly fine with me. Think of the 944, the 928. Those had V8s in them, I do believe. And according to Jeremy Clarkson, 928 is a pretty good Porsche. The Panamera was never designed to be a GT3. The Panamera was the solution for 911 owners who needed a daily driver. And I'll say right now, one of my dreams is to be able to have a GT3 and a Panamera, GTS or whatever. That right there is a great 2-car solution. And then when the Porsche owner gets a family, he buys a Cayenne. And when their kid decides they want to get their license, they buy a Macan. That is the logic behind Porsche's lineup, is to keep their loyalists loyal. But what every single Porsche has is that Porsche feel. Not every single one is going to drive as raw as a GT3 RS, and not a single one was designed to compete with that, except for maybe the GT4 RS. But what every Porsche has is great feedback, that driver-focused feel, and just being fun to drive in their own ways. And this Panamera GTS is no exception to that rule. Push the button in the middle of the mode button, you have sport response. Which puts everything in an attack mode for 20 seconds at a time. I mainly cruise around in sport, even in my personal Boxster. I keep it set to sport. I find it's a perfect in between, because Sport Plus keeps it revving a little bit high, but in this one I actually don't find that's the case. It's actually pretty good. It's so cool to be able to say I own a Porsche. You know, I'm not one of those people that's a brand snob, but just saying you own a car like this is awesome. Brakes are good. Whoa, those brakes are really good. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.